Guess the name of berry. Acrola cherry. What is this? Emilancher berry. Guess the name of berry. Chalkberry. Guess the name of berry. Burberry. Guess the name of berries. Burberry. Guess the name of berries. Bilberry. Guess the name of berries. Blackberry. Are you see this before? Blackcurrant. Guess the name of berries. Blueberry. Can you guess the name of berry? Poisonberry. Guess the name of berries. Buffaloberry. Are you see this before? Capped gooseberry. Are you know this berry? Chalk cherry. How cute this berry. Cloudberry. Guess the name. Cranberry. It's so beautiful. Blackcurrant. Guess the name. Redcurrant. It's so delicious. Whitecurrant. Guess the name. Dewberry. It's look amazing. Elderberry. How cute this is. Goji berry. Guess the name. Gooseberry. This looks delicious. Hackberry. It's amazing. Hawthornberry. Guess the name. Honeyberry. Wow, it's so beautiful. Huckleberry. It's so beautiful. Jossberry. Guess the name. Juniper berry. Guess the name of berries. Mockberry. Guess the name of this berry. Marionberry. Guess the name of berry. Miracleberry. It's so amazing. Mulberry. How it's colorful. Raspberry. It's so delicious. cranberry. Guess the name of berries. Salmonberry. What is this? Sea buckthornberry. Do you know this? Silverberry. Do you know this? Snowberry. Have you seen this before? Of course, strawberry. Guess the name of this berry. Thimbleberry. Guess the name of this berry. White mulberry. Thank you for